Hey guys, right here with Corn Dog Caravan today, a different day, but same shirt, doing the fresh air cabin filter change.
I'm Ray, and you're watching the Corn Dog Caravan channel. My wife Chris and I decided there's more to life than working and doing house projects. So we sold everything we own, built out a Ram Promaster we call Lotus because others think it's stupid, and are traveling full-time seeing friends, family, and exploring the beautiful country around us, along with our 2 Boston Terriers.
Really simple job, should only take a couple of minutes. The key to this job is having the right screwdriver size length. You will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Length will be probably around the 5-inch total between handle and the tip. So scrounge around in your toolbox and find the right one. You might even have to tip up the hood a little bit higher so that you can get everything to fit in there nice and neat. So let's get started. First and foremost, we are using the STP CAF90131P cabin air filter. Whatever you use is up to you. This one right now, this is 2023, and I purchased this from Autozone at a price of $19.99 or 20 bucks, right around there. So let's move over here. So this is not your engine air intake. This is actually the cabin air intake. And if you come down inside, you will see this big kind of trapezoid shaped filter. And it's really only held in with 2 screws, which are conveniently located. I'll try to get the camera on here. There's one here, and the other is right here. So I am using a Craftsman Phillips head screwdriver, and what you're fighting is the length between here and then this air intake that's part of the hood assembly. This has a screen up inside, so you can't really do anything because of the the block here. So you'll need a shorter screwdriver, not too long, not too short. If it's too short, a little stubby hits right here. So I'm just going to come in from here. I'm kicking the hood up a little bit with my head, and this really looks almost like a wood screw. All right, so one is loose. Just be careful not to strip out the head. Otherwise, you're finding a replacement screw, which means probably going to the dealer and having headaches. I don't like headaches. All right, so that is loose. I'll remove that screw. A little small guy. Phillips head, not a Torx. Set that in. Second one stayed in there. Filter dropped. We're going to take it out though. Don't lose it. It's in the tray. So this filter just comes right on out. We'll replace that and put in a new one. All right, so once you remove your new one out of the clear plastic, I'm going to show you the old filter here and the new. Quite a bit cleaner. We have been driving in a lot of dusty conditions out west. We're back in Florida, but it was time to replace it. Replace. Simply slide this inside. Literally, and you'll see airflow, can't go wrong. And then that's where the 2 screws lock into, thread into. Hold it here, and then unscrew the screws from the top. All right, so I've got the new filter in. I hand started the screws here from the top. I'm just gonna put my screwdriver on it. And I'm sure if you went to the dealer, they would charge you hundreds and thousands of dollars for this because it's a complicated job. There's a one. I'm doing this completely blind. I'm not looking at what I'm doing. I'm tightening the second screw and I am all done. So really, this took me all of, if I wasn't filming, this would have taken me about 30 seconds. So guys, this really is easy. I'm going to be doing several more. Let me put the screwdriver down before I poke my eye out again. I'm going to do probably kind of a getting to know your Ram Promaster, where the fluids go, where they don't go. some simple things. I've already shown the transmission. I showed the oil change, just at the cabin air filter. I'm going to be showing you next the cold, I'll call it the cold air intake. It is not a high performance filter by any means, but this lives right under here. Again, super easy job, not really complicated, only takes a few minutes. And it really is easy, guys. Anybody can do it, even I can do it. But if you are not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Comment below if you have any questions on part numbers. I want to try to put everything in the description, so you shouldn't have any questions. But if you do, happy to answer them. What else? Subscribe, notify, comment, like the channel too. Like this video if you like it. If you don't like it, I guess don't comment at all. So, thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know if it was helpful. Also, please comment below if you have any questions about the van build or suggestions about the future content as we build out this channel. Follow us along our journey on Facebook or Instagram using Corn Dog Caravan. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and tell your friends about our channel.